Bernina 790 Pro. Our video tutorial shows the various BSR modes as well as the kickstart function. The BSR foot is attached and connected, and the feed dog is lowered. BSR 1 mode is active by default. As soon as the foot control or the start-stop button is pressed, the machine starts sewing. The sewing speed depends on the fabric movement. The stitch length can be adjusted if necessary. BSR 2 mode is activated by selecting the icon. In BSR 2 mode, sewing is only possible if the foot control or the start-stop button is pressed and the sewing project is moved at the same time. BSR 3 mode is for basting. 2 programmed stitch lengths are available. SPI 2 means 2 stitches per inch and SPI 4 means 4 stitches per inch. This allows quick and easy basting of quilts. The advantage of the kickstart function is quilting without keeping the foot control pressed. To start the machine, press the foot control briefly with the heel. The machine starts sewing with the selected settings as soon as the fabric is moved. While the kickstart function is active, the function programmed for back kick is deactivated. To stop the machine, press the foot control briefly with the heel again. The machine will stop, but the kickstart function will remain active. To end the kickstart function, tap the screen or press the foot control at the front. If no sewing is done for up to 60 seconds, the kickstart function is automatically terminated and the display changes.
Bernina, made to create.